Hi, welcome to Savi's Fashion Studio. In this video, let's quickly see how to use a invisible zipper foot, which is used to attach a concealed zipper to a garment. The part number on this invisible zipper foot is S518. Now, if you see here at the bottom, there are two grooves through which the teeth of the zipper moves as you stitch. Now, there are different sizes in this. S518 is the widest. Now, the other one is S518N. This refers to a narrower groove, and there is also another S518NS. This is a narrow foot with guide in the center. This is a YKK invisible zipper. This is called an invisible zipper because on the right side the zipper teeth is not visible once it is closed, and the zipper teeth is visible only at the back side of the zip. So this presser feet is used to install such zippers. We'll just see how to use this presser foot now. Whenever using any other presser feet that didn't come with a machine, please check that the needle is not hitting the presser foot. If it does, then you have seen in our previous videos how to make the adjustments. Do accordingly. Now, just for demonstration purpose, I have cut 2 strips of fabric where I'll show how to install the zipper. Now, assume this is your garment and this is the seam allowance and the zipper is to be installed here. First, do a marking till where you want the zipper to open. For example, if this is till where I want the zipper to open. Now take your zipper. I am using a contrast one just for demonstration. You should be using a matching zipper. Now place the zipper with the right side of the zipper facing down. Open the zipper. Now place the zipper with right side of the zipper facing down. Place the edge to the edge of the fabric, the tape of the zipper towards the raw edge of the fabric here. Now place it in this way and turn to the right side. Now I have ironed and I already know the seam allowance marking here. So I am placing the zipper on that line. The needle should be towards this groove in the zipper. That is when you open the zipper like this. There's a groove here. Now start sewing. So I'm using the right groove in the presser foot. Now once you start, you don't have to do anything. Presser foot will guide itself as the zipper teeth moves through the groove in the presser foot. Stitch only till the marking that we have made. When you reach that marking, back stitch and stop. So this is how it will be after completely sewn. Now similarly you have to sew this zipper to the other seam. Place it the same way, edge to the edge, and then just take the zipper tape and the seam and turn to the right side. Now you'll be using the other groove in the presser foot. Only at the beginning slightly open the zipper and then you just need to guide the zipper. If you are doing without this presser foot, you would need to manually open up the zipper and make sure the needle stitches in this groove here, which is a little difficult. Sometimes the needle can hit the zipper teeth and then you'll have to open the stitches and redo it again. So this foot helps, makes the work easier. Again stop at the marking and do a back stitch. I'll turn to the right side and close the zipper. Now if you see, once I close the zipper, it's not visible at all. That too, if you use the same color zipper, it will be completely invisible. Now when we open the zipper, we want it to stop at the marking that we made. So take the fabric in this way, zipper in the middle and 2 seams together. Then chain the presser foot to a right single zipper foot or cord piping foot. Now start stitching at the marking. You can feel the zipper coil here. Now place the presser foot close to the zipper coil. This is why we use a single foot, because with the regular foot it wouldn't sit to the edge of the coil here. Now I am inserting the needle at the marking, back stitch a few stitches and then continue stitching till the hem. Once you do this, the zipper will stop at this point. Now you can cut off the excess of the zip. Let me show it from the right side. This is where we did the back stitch at the wrong side. So now when you open the zipper, it stops there. This presser foot makes it very easy to install an invisible zipper very neatly all the time. So this presser foot, that is invisible zipper foot, is meant only for treadle or industrial sewing machines. If you are using a home sewing machine, you get similar presser foot with groove at the bottom meant for invisible zippers, and sewing the zipper is the same as I showed it now. So thanks for watching this video. See you soon in the next class. Until then, happy sewing. Realize your dream of learning to sew or designing your own garments by joining Savi's Fashion Studio. You can learn from our online classes in the comfort of your home at your convenient time. We intend to teach the basics of pattern making and sewing in a simple and professional way. We try to follow simple methods so that even beginners who have been wanting to learn this beautiful skill are able to do so by learning from our videos. We have formed our courses in such a way that each class would improve your confidence in sewing your garments and help you upgrade your skill. We suggest you learn in the sequence of classes mentioned. On our website, we have lots of free tutorials to help you start your journey in the world of sewing. Our free tutorials will teach you from using the sewing machines to completion of the garment. In our online classes, get tips on what can go wrong and how to rectify while sewing. Learn to make invisible seams. Get simple yet important tips to improve your sewing skill. In every class, we try to explain how and why. Learn to make the inside of your garment as neat as outside. If you have any queries about a class, write to us in the FAQ tab below the video and we will reply as soon as possible. This is a beautiful skill but takes time to master, so have patience and don't be disappointed if you don't get it right the first few times. So welcome to the world of sewing and happy sewing!